There are various reasons why Linux is considered superior to Windows among developers. Generally, programmers point out that the package manager on Linux helps them get things done easily. Interestingly, the ability of bash scripting is one of the most compelling reasons why programmers prefer Linux over Windows. I have been working on an idea to build a command line shell that is platform independent. pysh is a cross-platform shell written in Python. The shell consists of all the commands from general to file management to networking. So let me show you a quick demo of the project. First of all, let me type in help, which will list all the commands. Now, let me show a few of them for you. Let's begin with arch. So this command essentially displays the machine's hardware details. It does not require any arguments, as you can see here. Next, let's look at host. This command displays the IP address of the given domain. So this requires an argument. So suppose let's say google.com. So host google.com. This will return the IP address of that. Next, let's look at calc. This command evaluates a mathematical expression. For example, calc 2 plus 4 into 6. It's evaluated to 26. Next, let's look at the history command. This command displays the history of the executed commands. Now, for viewing the local history of the shell's current session, let's type in just history, as you can see here. So in our current session of the shell, we have arch, host, calc, and the history command itself. Now, for viewing the global history of the shell's all sessions, type in history-a. Now this will display the global history of all the commands that were executed in the shell. You can try out the rest of the commands on your system. You can use this shell by either setting up a development environment or installing the software on your machine. To do so, follow the steps by visiting the link in the description below. If you are an open source enthusiast and if this project excites you, feel free to contribute to the project. If you want to know about the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2022, then check out this video right here. With that being said, I will see you in the next one.